Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Kangaroo 2017, grade 7 to 8, question 25. Now I know that this is a grade 7 to 8 problem, but this is a great brain teaser if you're just into math like me. So the question reads, a sequence of digits is obtained in the following way. The first two digits are 2 and 3, and each digit afterwards is the units digit of the product of the two preceding digits in the sequence. So that means if the first two digits are 2 and 3, we're going to multiply, which gives us 6, and we're going to take the units digit of the number 6 as our next number in the sequence. So that's a little clarification right there for people who think words are a lot, like me. The first several digits in the sequence are 2, 3, 6, 8, 8. What is the 2017th digit in the sequence? So my hint for you guys is that try writing down the sequence, at least the first 11 numbers, and see if it's being repeated or not. Um, and I'm going to discuss the solution right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is follow my instruction. I'm writing down the pattern. So like my first term A1 is 2, my second term A2 is 3, my third term is 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. My fourth term is 6 times 3, which is 18, but because it says the unit digit, I'm only going to take 8 as my digit, fourth digit. Then we're going to do A5, which is 6 times 8, and that's 48, right? So in 48, I'm only going to take my units digit, which is 8. Let's figure out term 6, which is going to be 8 times 8, which is 64, unit digit 4, so I'll just write down 4. A7 is going to be 7 times 4, which is, 8 times 4, which is 24, so I'm going to take, 32, so I'm only going to take my unit digit 2, then 4 times 2 is 8, A9, which is my ninth term, is going to be 8 times 2, which is 16, so 6, A10 is going to be 6 times 8, which is 48, so 8 as my unit digit, A11, 8 times 6, which is 48, and my unit digit 8. So now you can see what pattern is emerging. Let's look at another term, A12. 8 times 8 is 64, so 4 is my unit digit. You can see that the double 8 in my fourth digit is repeating again in my 10th digit. So I have a pattern that can be seen from term fourth term to ninth term, and there are 6 numbers that are repeating after it. However, the first 3 are fixed. 2, 3, and 6 are not repeating in the same order. That means I'm going to subtract 3 from 2017 because the 3 numbers are fixed, which gives me 2014. Now, I can see that there are 6 numbers in the sequence, 8, 8, 4, 2, 8, 6. So I'm going to divide 2014 by 6, which gives me 335 with the remainder of 4. Okay, so that means that 4 is indicating that we are going to look at the fourth number in our sequence. The fourth number in our sequence is 8842. That means it's A7, which we're looking at. So my answer is going to be 2. Let me know if you had another way of solving this question. There is actually another way you could possibly solve this question. I'm excited to see if someone can figure that out. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.